Welcome to the Hype Experiment, the world's first consensus-driven inflationary and deflationary token. Let's begin with the four most hyped elements: consensus, burn, freeze, and melt. Consensus is the most important element of the hype tokenomics. Every month, a voting event will be held to determine the upcoming month's burning and staking rates. Only those who have frozen hype will be able to vote, and each user's voting power depends on the duration and amount of tokens they have frozen. Burning is a deflationary feature which happens whenever a user transfers hype. A portion of the transferred amounts are taken off as fees and burned, decreasing the overall supply of hype tokens. Freezing is an inflationary feature and a requirement when it comes to voting. By freezing your hype tokens, you become eligible to vote, and you can accumulate your voting weights as well as stake your frozen tokens. Think of the staking feature as an incentive encouraging users to freeze, vote, and contribute to the experiment. Can the crowd collectively and efficiently manage the decentralized tokenomics of hype? Let's find out.